Honor has officially announced that its Honor 400 and 400 Pro smartphones will launch on May 22, 2025, kicking off in Malaysia. Honor 400 Pro measures 8.1 mm in thickness and weighs 205 grams. The Honor 400 Pro gets a quad-curved display with a pill-shaped punch-hole cutout. The Honor 400 Pro can be seen in gray and black colors. Honor 400 Pro come in 6.7-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate with an in-display fingerprint sensor. Powering the phone is the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, run on Android 15-based Magic OS 9.0 custom skin. The phone could get a 200MP primary OIS camera, 50MP telephoto lens with OIS, and a 12MP ultra-wide-angle lens. A 50MP shooter on the front for selfies. The phone will also have a huge 7,200 mAh battery with 100W fast charging. It is said to charge up to 50% in just 15 minutes. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.